In this video, I will show you how you can use Nitro's feature in VS Code with the Trongate VSCode Extension. Nitro is a piece of software written by David Connelly, and the aim is to help developers to put up a front-end page at a lightning speed with their favorite front-end framework. To use Nitro's feature in VS Code, we first open up VS Code. And here I have a very simple function which links up to a view file here called display. And within the display, there's a h1 tag says hello from display file. We can quickly go to the browser and head to test. You can see it's here. And before I get started, I'm going to show you a few things. First, if you look at the bottom status bar, it says materialize in use. That means you're currently using materialized front-end framework. You can select to other framework as well. And the way to choose to other front-end framework is to press Control, Alt, and Command key for me because I'm on a Mac, and maybe Win key for Windows, and Super key for Linux. You need to hold those three keys and then press /. It's gonna pop up this drop-down menu and show you currently there are 5 options, but maybe in the future you're gonna see more. And I'm gonna quickly choose Bootstrap 4 for this demo. You can see I have successfully selected, and in the status bar, it also changed to Bootstrap 4 in use. Before I show you a quick demo, I'm gonna bring you to a GitHub page which shows you a bunch of shortcuts and the corresponding command, which means the elements you can insert onto the page. I will be putting inside the description. And here I'm gonna show you the first thing I need is a template. I'm gonna hold the same trigger key. Remember, it's Control, Alt, and Command, then E for template, and save, refresh, sorry, wrong page, save and refresh. Here you can see there's some styling has already applied to it. Let's head back, and I'm gonna remove this row, and let's say I want some buttons. The way to insert some buttons is to press the same trigger key. Remember, you need to hold it, not just press it. You need to hold Control, Alt, and Command, and then press B for buttons, save, and refresh. You can see already those Bootstrap buttons already for you. One of the trick is to select one of the item you need. For example, I need this success button, and I'm gonna copy it into my clipboard and then quickly undo it and paste back in, save and refresh. And you can see the element you wanted is there for you. Let me show you another use case. You might want a contact us form. And the way to do it is press the same trigger key, Command Alt and Control Alt and Command, and then press C for contact us form. Save and refresh. You can see a nice contact us form. It's there for you. One last thing before we go is that I'm going to show you that the extension will remember your choices. For example, you want to switch to another front-end framework in another project, you're going to press the same trigger key and /. Let's say we're going to choose milligram, and you quit your VS Code, and then you open up again. You can see on the bottom, it remembers your choices, and it's still you are using